Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Shopify application on your Android device. So let's get started. Open up your Play Store and then in the search box, type in Shopify. Once you end up in the search result, tap on the Shopify, your online shop application from Shopify Inc. and tap on the install button to begin the download. Wait until the application is downloaded and also make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet for the application to download. After waiting for a couple of minutes, your application download and installation should complete. After you see an open button, you can tap on it to launch open the app on your Android device. So that is how you can easily download and install Shopify application for Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.